Hi loves, it's Crystal Marie again. Welcome back to my channel. I've got a great one for you guys today. Yes, you see this? It's the Happy Planner and Teresa Collins collaboration Happy Box. So I'm really excited. I have been waiting to open this box with you guys so that I can use the stuff that's in here. But I wanted to show you guys first, like my first impressions of everything that's in the box. I have heard good things about it, so I'm really excited. So if you love planner videos, which is a lot of the videos I do on this channel are planner related. So if you love planner related videos, if you love collaborations, if you love pretty things, then definitely stay tuned. Be sure to thumbs up the video. And if you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you guys. Thank you for coming back. So let's get into it. Okay, so we're gonna open, oh, there's a lot of layers here. Hold on. Told you guys. Ooh, how pretty is that? Okay, let's see if I can take everything out. Can I take everything out in one piece and then? Nope, I'm gonna have to open it. I think there's too much stuff in here. So let's rip it open. The tissue paper is so pretty. Woo! Can you guys see all of that? Okay, so let's get into it. I'm gonna try to take it all out one by one and maybe we'll get some space here. So this is the Make Your Dreams Happen. It looks like it's just a little like pencil case, or you can put your makeup in it. And it's pretty good quality. I like this. Oh, and this is like embossed. Very nice. You guys know my color scheme, so this fits into it. I love the gold. And I love anything that has a good like positive saying on it. I think you should surround yourself with positive quotes and things like that daily. It just reminds you to stay positive with whatever you're going through. So I love this. Definitely will be using that. Oh, and if you guys want to know, I believe this box I paid about a little less than $50 total with shipping and everything, because I know that there was a 20% off coupon when I ordered it. I don't know if they still have that. If they do, I will link it below. But so yeah, so I will tell you at the end if I think it's worth it. So this says the Happy Planner in Teresa Collins, and it's in this pretty gold foil. And then it just gives you an idea of everything that's in here. It says You Are Magic at the top. And gives you, oh, it's got a mug in there. All right. Okay, so we can skip that. We'll just get into everything. Yes. Oh my goodness. Okay, so first we have, looks like, are these pop-up stickers? I think these are stickers. These are so pretty, you guys. Like, this is my color scheme here. The pinks, the blushes, the blacks, the golds. This is all stuff that I love. And I love these sayings. Like this one says yesterday, and then yesterday's crossed out and tomorrow's crossed out. And then it says now. And then this one says, I am what I believe I am. Teresa Collins. I love this. That's awesome. Let's see. Put it one at a time. So this is, it looks like a planner, oh yeah, envelope here. And you put this in your Happy Planner. See that? That's made for the Happy Planner. This is very pretty, very nice. The Happy Box, the Happy Planner, Teresa Collins, the Happy Box. These are stickers. You guys, these are pretty. It's a sticker book, actually. Designed to fit in the classic size planner, so you can use this in your classic Happy Planner. I love this. This is my color scheme right here, you guys. I tell you guys every time, but pink, glitter, the black, the golds, that's all my stuff. This is like, if they made the box for me, this is what it is. And this is Get It Done, a little notepad here, like a weekly notepad. Let me take this out. Yep, a little weekly notepad that you can rip this off and put it in your planner if you want to. Very nice. What else? What else? Oh, yeah. Okay, wait, I can't hold everything. Let's see here. So we've got some washi tape. I am in love with washi tape. You guys can kind of see some of my collection in the background. I did go through my washi tape and like get rid of all the washi tapes that I kind of don't enjoy anymore. And then I have surrounded myself with the washi tape that I love. So I love my washi tape collection. And this is going to be a great addition to it. You guys can see that. So pretty. The pink one says, be brave, be bold, be you. And then we've got a floral one in the middle. And then we've got the I am enough with the pink hearts and then the gold foil. Love it. And these are like minis. Love, love, love. I'll definitely be using those. Put those over there with my collection here. And then we've got, it looks like these are inserts. And they're like planner inserts for your happy planner today. And it's got the times on the side, your main focus, your to-do list, and what you're grateful for. And then notes on the back. I love that. I'm not going to open that because I don't want all the sheets to like fall out and get all. Stay focused and extra sparkly. Now hold on. I believe, because I have seen some of the unboxings, that this is a guided journal, not a planner. Let's get into it a little bit, and I'll do like a more in-depth walkthrough of the it's not a planner, the guided journal. If you guys want to see that, just let me know in the comments below. Okay. For this week, one area I would like to thrive in, little things that bring me joy, simple ways I can be kind to others, intentions for the week. I love that. And I love this, the dotted paper. I don't know if you guys can see the dotted paper as well on camera, but it's really pretty. And then it's got this little, whatever you're thinking, think bigger. Yep, this is the guided journal. So date, what you're feeling, what empowered me today, one thing I'm feeling positive about today, today's highlight that made you smile, today's silver lining, how it could be inspired or improved, sorry. And then daily gratitude, and it looks like that repeats for each day. Let's see. Yep, is there anything different? Let's see. For this week. So I wonder, oh, I love this. The secret to having it all is knowing you already do. Let's see what this one says. Be kind. And then that's the last one. Just do it. So I wonder, is this like a 4-month journal? I know this is week daily. Let's see if it says that. Let's see. It says it on. Nope, I'll let you guys know how long this is if you do it every day. But I love this. I love this. Stay focused and extra sparkly. More stickers. I am enough. Be you, not them. Don't just wake up and think about the woman you want to become. Wake up and be her. I love that too. And I've seen people like put this on their mirror, and that's probably what I'm gonna do. I'll take a picture of it for you guys when I do that. Okay, we got, wait, is that empty? I'm just making sure. Yeah, this is empty. And what have we got in here? Wait, is all this empty? Just making sure I don't miss anything. Okay, this I believe is the last thing. Come on. Powdered. And I think it's the mug. And you guys know I collect mugs. So I'm super excited about this. Look at that blush pink inside. Very pretty. And then it says, this is a reminder that you can handle whatever this week throws at you. I love that. This is going to be one of my new favorite mugs. You guys can probably see I also use mugs to hold my pencils and things like that, especially the really pretty ones, but I will probably be drinking out of this one. Okay, so let's put that to the side. I think I'm going to keep the paper. Is that weird? I mean, I am in love with the paper, so I will probably keep this and do something with it. I don't know. Maybe rewrap a gift. All right, so let's lay it all out so you guys can see what we've got here. Okay, so I definitely think all of this was worth $50. You know, normally like the Happy Planners are about like $29.99, thereabouts, depending on which one you get. So that alone is almost half the box. And these sticker books are usually like about $19.99, I believe. So you're getting a really great deal with all of this stuff. It's also positive. It's so pretty and just very like girly and positive and all of the things that I love. You know, floral, it's everything. So I definitely recommend. I'm not sure if they're sold out, to be honest. I will check before I post this video, and if they're not sold out, I'll leave the link below so that you guys can hurry up, get on, and get your box before they're sold out. I love collaborations. Teresa Collins, like everybody considers her the collab queen, and I love that. I love that women can collaborate with each other over competition and they can bring businesses together. Because have you ever like wanted to do something, like maybe you wanted to have your own happy planner, then like why not collaborate with the happy planner instead of having to go and open up a planner business, right? Maybe you just want to put out a line of mugs. You know, you can collaborate with somebody who already makes mugs. That way you don't have to start a new business just to make a project. And I think collaboration, everybody wins when you collaborate. So I'm really happy to support two women who are collaborating with each other. Women-owned businesses rock. I have one, and so I love to support when I can. And this is beautiful, you guys. I will let you know more about the guided journal as I'm using it and my thoughts on that. But just first look, everything is so beautiful, and I just can't wait to get to using it. If you like this video, definitely leave me a thumbs up. Let me know if you've gotten this box or if you plan on getting it, if it's not sold out already. And let me know what you think. I'm excited to hear. See you guys later. Be sure to thumbs up the video as always. And I love you guys. Mwah, 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 mwah.